We've come from an environment where we were reviewing 6 calls per person per month to suddenly having all of this data. We look at just the call recording, we're able to identify instantly, we're then able to transfer that across with other systems that we have, so our CRM platform, and we're able to get a lot quicker a much more accurate view of the activity that's taken place with all of those systems sort of working concurrently. I think from a data perspective, for me, being able to put a quality score on each and every person within the organisation is immense, because it means that I'm not just managing them on terms of how many policies they're selling, for example, in a month, or how many policies they're renewing, or how many customer service positive feedbacks they get. I'm actually truly understanding what they're doing through the day. So the overall call score, from ensuring how compliant they are, is fantastic. The fact that it's able to give me and identify emotions and highlight particular areas to us where we previously would have had no view on whatsoever. Now we're suddenly able to see from both, at times, a negative perspective, but also the positive. And the impact of the positive feedback to our operation has been incredible. That, daily from our quality team, we just get emails through saying, we just picked up this great phrase from a customer yesterday. Well, when you're sharing that within your teams daily, it's such a positive influence. So I think from a metric perspective, the transparency that I have now on every agent's performance throughout the month is incredible, but equally on a daily basis, I'm able to give real, instant, ad hoc positive feedback as well. We're a heavily regulated organisation, the insurance industry is. We try and give our agents as much freedom as possible. So actually, what the wow moment for me was not about identifying that we weren't necessarily using compliance talk, but there was areas where we weren't potentially closing on sales. We were missing opportunities to actually ask for the business. And by having some of that wording in the scripting, means that Voice is able to really highlight, here's a trend, and you're missing out on that. But I think from a positive, the wow moment was when I started to receive daily just saying, here's a comment from a customer yesterday for Jake on the sales team, or here's a comment that came through yesterday that highlighted positive emotion and some really good feedback. That ability to share that feedback with the team every day in a really positive manner has also been a really great wow moment for us.